Get your skin glowing with our natural recipes at home. I'm so excited to share some of my favorite DIY natural skincare recipes with you today. Please watch till the end of this video to learn. We all crave that radiant, healthy glow. And what better way to achieve it than with ingredients straight from the kitchen? Let's unlock the secrets to luminous skin together. Our first recipe is a gentle yet effective honey and oatmeal face mask, perfect for all skin types. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin, ensuring it stays hydrated and plump. Oatmeal is known for its soothing properties and gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin feeling refreshed. To create this mask, you'll need raw honey and finely ground oatmeal, both of which are easily available and affordable. Combine 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal in a small bowl, ensuring you measure accurately. Mix them together until you achieve a smooth paste, making sure there are no lumps. Gently apply this concoction to your face, using your fingertips to spread it evenly, covering all areas except the eyes. Leave the mask on for 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic, then rinse off with warm water. Notice how soft and supple your skin feels. Your face will have a healthy glow, looking rejuvenated and refreshed. Let's move on to a recipe that's as refreshing as a cool breeze on a summer day, perfect for rejuvenating your skin and giving it a natural glow. Aloe Vera and Cucumber Gel, a simple yet effective skincare solution. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that work wonders on the skin, helping to heal, moisturize, and protect it from damage. Cucumber is known for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for soothing irritated skin and reducing puffiness. Together, aloe vera and cucumber create a synergy that transforms your skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. To create this gel, you'll need fresh aloe vera gel and cucumber juice, both of which are easily accessible and highly beneficial. Combine 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of fresh cucumber juice in a mixing bowl. Mix them well until you get a smooth consistency and gently apply the gel to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. This gel is particularly beneficial after a long day in the sun, providing a cooling and calming effect. After 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off the gel with cool water, ensuring all residue is removed. Your skin will feel instantly refreshed, hydrated, and soothed, ready to face the day with a healthy, radiant glow. Now let's whisk ourselves away to a tropical paradise with our luxurious coconut oil and sugar scrub. Imagine the warm sun, the gentle breeze, and the soothing sound of waves as you treat your skin to this tropical delight. Coconut oil is a natural emollient, softening and smoothing the skin. It penetrates deeply, providing intense hydration and leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Sugar gently buffs away dead skin cells, revealing fresh, radiant skin. This natural exfoliant helps to unclog pores and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. To create this scrub, you'll need coconut oil and granulated sugar. These simple ingredients are all you need for a spa-like experience at home. Combine 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix them together until you have a smooth, consistent texture. Gently massage the scrub onto your face using circular motions. This helps to stimulate blood flow and enhance the exfoliation process. Continue massaging for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. The warmth of the water will help to open your pores and remove any remaining scrub. Notice how incredibly soft and smooth your skin feels. The combination of coconut oil and sugar leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. The sugar will have gently exfoliated, while the coconut oil will have left your skin feeling supple and hydrated. Enjoy the radiant glow and the tropical escape for your skin. Our final recipe is a creamy, indulgent avocado and yogurt face mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a gentle AHA that exfoliates the skin. Together, avocado and yogurt create a symphony of skincare benefits. To create this mask, you'll need half a ripe avocado and plain yogurt. Mash half an avocado until smooth, then add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and mix well. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Notice how soft, smooth, and radiant your skin feels. And there you have it. 4 amazing DIY natural skincare recipes you can easily make at home. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellness Galore for more health and wellness tips. Stay beautiful and take care.